Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to learn about CNC building program for incremental command. Already I taught absolute command in the same drawing, but we will use here is incremental command Z91 code, absolute is Z90 code. Now we will see how to write X and Y value from this drawing for incremental command. You see here the starting point is given here, so we will take the X and Y values from here. So we will go with the clockwise or anti-clockwise, but in this case I'll go with the clockwise direction. First we will draw X and Y line. This is plus X, this is minus, this is plus Y, this is minus X, here is minus Y. Now we will start from here. X, Y value. First X and Y value is 0, 0. So we will start from here to here. We will write this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is 10. Now starting point is 0, 0. After that, this goes with here. So X is 0, Y is 20. Now up to here finished. After that goes this to 1 to 2. So X value is 10, Y value is 10. So X is 10, Y is also 10. Here you see the arrow is goes this way. So arrow is goes this way means clockwise. Clockwise is Z02, I and J. So this way means, so we will draw the arc. Starting point is here, end point is here. To draw the line, so arrow is here. The arrow is touches with Y axis, so J is 0. X axis is, so arrow is comes this way, so the arrow is comes this side. So this means plus 6. I is 10, Y is 0. You see this is 10, no? R is 10. So I is 10, J is 0. This touches with Y axis, so J is 0. Up to here we finish. After that this to this. So the tool is here. So this to this means X is 10. Y is 0 in this case. Here no, the Y is 0. X is 10, Y is 0. Up to here we finished. So goes to this way. So this to this means this to this only. So here is 30, this is 40. So this value is only 10. Y is 10, X is 0 in this case. X is 0, Y is 10. So goes this way. So goes this way means, you see here, this to this, X is 10. Y is up to here. So we have to calculate this to this, no? So 50 minus 40, this value is 10. So X is 10, Y is 10. You see the arrow is goes this way. So you have to draw the circle. You see the arrow is goes this way. So G02 clockwise. What is I and J value in this case? The starting point is here, end point is here. So the arrow is comes this way. So the Y axis is touches the arrow. So J value is 0. So a starting point is here, the arrow is comes this side only. The end point arrow comes this side, no, the same side only comes for starting point also. So this way means, you see the arrow comes this way, R is 10, so I is 10, J is 0. Up to here finished. Here to here. So here to here means X axis is 15, Y axis is this to here, Y axis is 0. X-axis is 15, Y-axis is 0 up to here. So after that it comes down this way. This way means X-axis is, you see, it comes down, no? X-axis is 5. You see, this way this is 5 X-axis is. So Y-axis is comes down. Y-axis comes down means is minus 5. X-axis is 5. Y-axis is minus 5. You see the arrow is comes down. So the arrow is comes down means, you see, this it comes in the clockwise direction. It rotates in the clockwise. So G02 again here also. What is I and J value? The arrow is comes down, touches with X-axis. So I is 0. The arrow is comes down means J value is minus 5. Minus 5, I is 0. Up to here finished. After that it comes down. Here to here means this 5. You have to minus this 5. This full is 50. 50, this is 5 minus this 5. So this 2 here is 40. So this value is 40. This comes down, right? So minus 40. You see here, this is comes down is minus. So minus 40 for y-axis. What is x-axis? X-axis is 0. X is 0, y is minus 40. Up to here we finished. After that it goes this way. This is also comes clockwise. The arrow in the clockwise direction. So G02 again here. What is x and y value in this case? X. You see the arrow is comes up to here. So x is 10. This goes this way, no? So minus. So minus 10. What is y-axis? Y-axis is in this case you see 5. What 5? Minus 5. I and j value. I is, you see here, no? This goes this way, no? So I is minus 13.59. So j is goes upside. So up is plus 14.68. So I is 13 minus 13.659. J is plus 14.68. After that, up to here finished. After that it goes to this way. So 10. Whole is 50. This is 10. So you have to minus it. To here only we have to calculate. So this value is 40 up to here. So x is 40 minus 40. Y is 0 in this case. So now we will comes in the starting point. Now we will start the program. N01, M012. Clamping the workpiece. N02, M06, T01. Tool change. T01 is tool number. N03, M03, S800. Spindle on, spindle speed. N04, M08. M08 is coolant on. N05, Z91, G17, G21, G94. This is very important. We took all the dimensions in G91 mode. Incremental command only we have taken the x and y values. So don't forget to write G91 code here. G17 is xy plane. This is x and y plane. That's why we use G17. G21 all dimensions are in mm. That's why we used G21 code. G94 is feed rate per minute. In this, thickness of the material is 10 mm here. After that N06, Z00, X0, Y0, Z10. This is the workpiece. Z00 is rapid mode, X0, Y0, the starting point is X0, Y0, Z10 means the tool is in 10 mm above the workpiece. After that N07, Z01, Z-10, F50. Now the tool is in above, no? In this case, now -10 means thickness of the plate is 10 mm. Minus means the tool is comes down here. So -10. N08, Z01. You see, first X0, Y0 we wrote here. After that 020. We will start from here itself. 020 goes this way. This is linear. That's why we wrote Z01. X0, Y20. X0, Y20. No need to write X0. After that, up to here finish, it goes this way. This is given Z02, X10, Y10, I10, J0. If R means 10. Now we will write N09, G02, X10, Y10, R10, or Z02, X10, Y10, I10, J0. Up to here we finished. So this is linear. Linear means Z01. N10. You see, we will take X is 10, Y is 0. Z01, X10, Y0. So no need to write Y0. Up to here finished. Up to here. So this way. This is also linear. So X is 0, Y is 10. N11, Z01, X0, Y10. So no need to write this one. So Z01 already wrote in the above case. So no need to write it again. So we have to cancel it, this one. N12. Up to here we finish. So this way. This way is, you see, Z02, X10, Y10, I10, J0 or R10. Z02, X10, Y10, R10, or Z02, X10, Y10, I10, J0. Up to here we finish. So this way. This is linear. So Z01. N13, Z01, X15, Y0. So no need to write Y0. Up to here we finished. This way. This is, you see here, Z02, X5, Y minus 5, I0, J minus 5, or R is 5. N14, Z02, X5, Y minus 5, or 5, or G02, X5, Y minus 5, I0, J minus 5. Up to here finish. So this is linear. If linear means here, you see X is 0, Y is minus 40. N15, Z01, Y minus 40. No need to write X0. Up to here finish. So this one. N16, Z02, you see this one. X minus 10, y minus 5, x minus 10, y minus 5 or 5 or Z02 x minus 10 y minus 5 I minus 13.59 and j 14.68. Up to here we finished. So this one. So x is minus 40, y is 0. This is linear. So Z01. Z01 x minus 40 y 0. So no need to write this. This is N17. Now the tool is in this position. So we have to move the tool outside. What we will do, x is minus 40, this is minus x. So we will take minus 80. So the tool is here. Y value we will take 80. Otherwise you can take 60 also. This is up to 50, no? So you have to take 10 more, 60. So y is 60. So now the tool is this portion. Now we will write N18 Z00 x minus 80 y 60. After that N19 M05 spindle off. N20 M09 coolant off. N21 M30 end of the program. Thanks for watching this video.